Well, back again, guys. We just changed over to a large primer table on the auto prime, and I just chucked 20 in there, and I've got another 30 something here. I need to load up whatever these primes are, so open up another packet, ain't it? Only 50 or so at a time, never. I've got a few rounds extra anyway, so that's the end of that. $200 $1,000, $20 $100. I've got a box somewhere, I'll find it. It was $3.20 a box. And I can remember when I started loading, less than $1 a box of 100. $10 a 1,000. That's crazy. Anyway, saves everything in this world. There's no, you can't make this shit up, as they say. Betting on the crap that's going on brushes is wrong. And it's all the laws work, except where, you know, the government let it happen, and the laws wanted to adhere to the letter how they should be, and now they're blaming us. You know, the kidding me, haven't you? But anyway, I can't fix the world's problems. I wish I could. Oh well. Anyway, I just that's loaded. You just shake it, and they all flip over the face up, and there's the primer sliding down, ready to get pushed into the shell. I hope you can see that. See the primer's there sitting. Now I've just got to find a shell holder. I thought I had it in the dye box, but I'll probably put it back in the shell holder box. And then I've got to find which one. You remember last time? I should have put it back in the in with the die set. Now, so the shell. It's written on the back actually, but number 3. Yeah, more than 10. Number 3, where are you? That looks like it. That's it. The case just slides in there. That holds it down in the shell holder, in the primer tool. And then the ram comes up and pushes the primer into that base, the shell. I'll just show you. You've got to push the table down, push the shell holder in, and that primer just flipped over. Nice one. Just getting out. See back in there, hopefully you'll sit up. Right, ready to rock and roll. So you hold your case in there, you squeeze up, and there's your prime case. I'll do another one, and then I'll do another video, shake it and get the primer down in the, and squeeze up. Nicely home. I checked the primer pockets, they're not dirty, so you don't bother with them, they're pretty clean. If you have a look in there, still shiny, so I gave them a good clean last time, and as I said, the powder's burning really clean. There's no unburnt powder in the barrel or breech. It's just burning every single bit of it. The only thing will be a little bit of carbon in the barrel. But anyway, that's how we prime. So I'll prime these now, and I'll catch you. We'll weigh some powder in the next video. Catch you later.